Apollo, are you happy to be at the hotel? Yeah. Today!
Should be a great day.
Yes, it is. Hey, Atlas. Sawadee-ka, sawadee-mai-ka. So we just checked in at the Sands Resort here in Khao Lak, and so far it is beautiful. So you get greeted and then you immediately enter reception, and the people are very nice. We just switched. We originally booked the Sands room. We're actually going on this trip with a few friends who booked in the family room. And something that I didn't know is that these are all in different buildings. So we just asked to be moved to a family room, which is also the closest building to the whole play area with the slides and I guess like a bunch of pools for the kids. It's also the closest building to the kids club, which your kids are able to go in there and play, and we're really excited to check that out. That was your fault. That was your fault. But I actually forgot Apollo shoes at home, so I am going to go and buy him shoes. Which is super easy because they have this awesome gift shop. What? Okay, Baba, can you open the door? Open the door. Strong, 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 strong. Very good. Yeah, lollipops. Okay. Okay, Baba, no lollipops. They're not healthy. They're not healthy. Where are the shoes? Can you find me shoes? Find shoes. Find shoes. I don't think we're finding shoes here. Oh my goodness. We have found everything. We did find the shoes. Okay, but we need to get Daddy's other flip-flops. We're gonna get Daddy these ones. I think Daddy would like them. Okay, Apollo, how do you like your new flip-flops? Oh man, note to all of the brave parents out there that go into that gift shop with a toddler. There are a lot of very fragile things at arm's reach. A lot of very beautiful things, and Hawaiianas and healthy snacks for kids and unhealthy snacks and drinks for adults. So if you have forgotten anything at home, thankfully it seems like the gift shop has you fully covered. So it also has you covered for things that you don't need and don't necessarily want, but your child might break and you might end up with.
Kids place.
You want to go to the kids' place? Okay, let's go check out the kids' place. Take a left, take a left, take a left. Whee! High five. Okay, go. Fancy schmancy. As the elevator opens.
Number showing 5347.
Do we have full view?
Yeah, we have like full court.
Wow.
Okay, let's make sure you don't roll away from me like you did the other day.
Wow. Oh my God, air conditioning. Thank you. Yep. Shoes and everything.
Oh no.
Oh no. Holy moly, this room is cool. Okay, so let's start with the bathroom. The bathroom is enormous. Has a giant bathtub that looks like a swimming pool. I love that it has both a shower area and then it has a separate closed door room for the toilet. Here is the amenity kit. Well, so it comes with 3 body lotions, cotton buds, shower, detergent for clothes. That's neat. Sanitary bags, cotton buds, shower cap. If you are a family traveler, you will often experience this in hotels where you will say to the hotel, okay, great, I'm coming with like 2 adults and like 2 children, and they'll only ever give you 2 adult towels. They never actually give you anything for the children, and then you have to ask for it and wait 30 minutes, which is, you know, it's fine, but it's also a little inconvenient. Not the Sands though, but bam. 4 towels. Some other things that I love about hotels, specifically this one, it comes with really nice robes. Also, you guys literally just watched me go on a whole escapade because I left my flip-flops at home and so did Apollo, and Daniel's were rough. But it came with flip-flops. So, came with flip-flops, slippers for the room that are actually really nice quality, and again, 4 pool towels. toddler not included. Oh, what are you doing, Bubba?
Order food.
What are you ordering? What are you gonna have?
Pizza.
You want a pizza?
Oh. That.
Oh, did you paint your hand?
Yes.
Ah, okay. Hi, Atlas. Hello. So moving on to the rest of the room. They set up this little kids area. We ended up getting a family room. I think it was like 30 US to make the switch, so well worth it. Lots of extra space in this room. And, oh, nice big king size bed. Beautiful desk area. It has the room service menu, the spa menu, the Aqua Zone safety rules, and some packaging about saving the earth. And now for the moment of truth. The balcony. Okay. Wow. Man, we could have a party out here. This thing is huge. Huge. Bubba, look how big this balcony is. Look at that. Look how big it is. And do you see? Those are all of the pool access rooms down there. And we can see the slide. Oh man, we're gonna have some fun. Okay, I had to pick up my hair because it was getting a little hot, y'all. But for my mamas who are out there breastfeeding, or if you're not breastfeeding and in general you just have snacks and juices that you want to keep for your kids, they have a mini fridge that's empty, which is awesome and has loads of space. I mean, it looks like you could fit quite a bit in here.
Here,
so
juice for the kids to fit in there.
Juice for the kids. Which
For
kid?
the big kids.
Which kid? To the pool! 3, 2, oh! So we finally made it out to the pool of the hotel, and it's humongous. So from what I read online, it has 6 pools throughout the property, 4 that belong to the pool access rooms, and then 2 other ones. One main pool, which is the one where there's a swim up bar. It's right adjacent to like the restaurant area where you can get some food and lunch. And it's also next to a lazy river. Then there's a little bridge that you can cross over that then leads into the big splash zone / water park that has the big water slides and a few other like buckets that like spray water on you and toys like that. And then there's actually, I think, one more. I wouldn't even call this necessarily another pool as much as it is a set of 2 slides that are bigger ones. They're like for the bigger kids or for adults. And then it has a pool at the bottom, but that pool's more so to receive the people that are coming from that slide. And from what I can see, it looks like they open parts of the hotel at different times. So the time that the lazy river's open, the big slides are closed. And then the times that the big slide is open, the lazy river's closed. I would imagine it's to keep the chaos at the minimum and to make it safer. And to be fair, so far I'm pretty impressed with how the safety standards are here. In our room, if you notice the balcony is completely made out of glass. There's no ledges for kids to put a foot on. And the room has an additional little teeny tiny lock that even, to be honest, I struggled opening for a little bit. But it's so that kids don't break out of your room, which is necessary considering that my child tries to break out of every hotel room that we're in and climb every balcony rail. So but it's been so fun to just lounge and hang out with little baby girl. We got into the pool for the first time with her mommy today. So happy. Hello, Atlas. Happy pool day, baby girl. I am thoroughly exhausted. We are now on the way home and just had the best time at the Sands. Honestly, we were only there for one night, but frankly, it felt like at the same time we blinked and it was over, but I also felt like I lived 3 weeks worth of life in 2 days just because we were going to the pool, down the slide, to the kids club, playing with the kids, talking to our friends, going to dinner. I mean, it was just such a cool experience. And yesterday was really special because we were able to go and have a buffet dinner at the Floating Market restaurant, which is right by this beautiful like lake that they've paved, and there's koi fish and it's on a boardwalk. And then down to this morning, so the buffet had loads of food yesterday, but then this morning we woke up and had breakfast. The breakfast at the stand starts at 6 a.m. and I think it goes until 10 or 11. I'll write it down here so you know. but it was also jam-packed with food. And at 8:30 and one other time during the day, they feed the koi fish. So they give you these little containers, and Apollo was losing it, trying to feed the fish and going like, "Mommy, koi fish," and we're identifying all of the different fish sizes, and he was sharing his friends, making new friends. I mean, I am just so thoroughly impressed with that resort. I could have spent a week there. As a matter of fact, Daniel and I have already been talking about, like, we should spend a week there. We didn't even make it to the beach. So if this video is a little bit incomplete, it's frankly because you need way more than one day at this resort. I would reckon a bare minimum of 4. And you could comfortably stay here for 1 week to 2 weeks, I think, especially if you're just looking for a vacation where both the adults and the kids can have fun. Just well worth it. So anyway, I hope that you liked this video, that you got tons of helpful information when you're planning your trip to Khao Lak. If you like more videos like this, let us know in the comments below what you found most helpful about this video, and make sure that you give it a thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and we will see you on our next adventure. Bye.
So we are back in our office editing this video, only to realize that we never told you about our free Thailand packing list. A couple of years ago, we actually went through and filmed everything that we have been taking to Thailand in our over 10 trips here and over 5 years of visiting this country. And that video has actually become a hit. And we've included a free Thailand packing list that you can follow along and check off while you're watching the video. But if you just wanted to print off the packing list, you can actually click down below to get your copy now. So if you're coming to Thailand and you want to travel it minimally and you don't want to pack a whole bunch of stuff that you won't need, make sure that you click down below to get your free packing list. And if you wanted to follow along with the video, make sure you click the end screen right here. And good luck on your trip to Thailand.